Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Vegeta merged with Chainsaw Man. So Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z is going to be facing that way. Let's get started. So right off the bat, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start kind of with the brow of Vegeta right here. So kind of like a lesser than shape right there. And I'm going to curve out for his nose, which is very, very pointy. Pull back in. Line right here, which is kind of the edge of the plane of that nose, and then that's going to go down, right? Very triangle nose, right? He's facing that direction. I'm going to pull out just a bit, down, out over here, down right here where type of the lips, which are basically like this stair step. Going to go over here and going to pull back for that smile that he tends to have, that short smile. Line right there at the edge of the mouth. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw in general, or you like these kind of mixture drawings, hit the subscribe right now, and we will totally do that. It's going to go out, down. I'm going to pull up right here for his brow right there. Bam. It's a triangle. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to fill that in. Right on. Now we're going to go over here, pull down on the eye, down. Go over here on this side, not all the way up though. Down right there for this part of the eye. Line up. And right here, a dot, so he's you know that Vegeta's looking that way. Whew. Let me know if you like Dragon Ball Super or Dragon Ball Z more, although they're the same thing. Line right here for like the cheek. Pulling down right here for the chin area. Down right here. Pulling back over here on this part of the jaw. Pulling up. And now we're going to go over here to the ear, which is a very big part of this. Up. Curve out, down for the ear. Curl of a line here. Line over here on this side. Right there. Out, in, down. Line. Up for the back forehead. And his famous widow's peak, right? Up over here, down. He's got that widow's peak, right? That goes down to like a V right there. Line back for underneath the neck. Down over here, you got underneath that neck, and we can fill in underneath that neck right there. We can fill that in. Adam's apple. Down. Don't forget, by the way, if you want to learn how to draw in general, go to the link in the description. It is a Skillshare thing. There is basically hour-long lessons on anatomy, on anime, all kinds of anime poses on Skillshare. So go take a look at that. Really important. If you want to level up your game, it is free when you click that link for about, I think, 30 days it gives you. So go take a look at that. Line over here. On the neck. Let's go over here for the hair. We're going to pull up, back, down. Kind of one spike. Back over here, another spike. Back up, down. And up right here for that one that's kind of pointing up. Down right here, that one's going to go pretty far down, in. Let's find the back of the neck before we do that. So right here, kind of back of the hair. Line for the back of the neck. Line out. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag up, and zigzagging the way in. Alright, you got Vegeta right there so far. Let's go over here. We're going to start the chainsaw part, which is going to be kind of like the bottom of the nose. Pull out. Curve. This is going to pull back in kind of around mid-forehead. Going to go in here. I'm going to draw the same exact shape on the inside. Right there. And then we're going to split this shape up right here like that. It's a chain, right? Right on. Spike. You can draw it out of each segment if you want, or you can draw it maybe if you don't do it out of each segment, you can kind of like, you know, do something else with it. You don't have to do that. Then out of each spike in the middle, we're gonna draw a little spike like bent over. Not even that little, but it is gonna be bent over. Okay, we got that so far. If you want to make it look like he's moving, we're going to go right here, draw a line, line, curve, curve. Draw line, line, curve, curve. And then we can draw thin, remember, keep it thin, these scratches over here on, like it's just like a used, like chainsaw, right? That's kind of the point of it. And you can draw wiggly stuff, like there's oil on it. Right here as well. Alright. And if you really want to go at it, you can maybe like fill in Vegeta's entire like Vegeta's hair, his black hair over here. But I am not going to do that. That is going to take way too much of my marker. If you want as well, you can maybe throw a thicker line around the outside of the chainsaw. Right there, just to kind of give it a little bit more kind of depth. Hit that like button if you like this mixture. It's going to make a huge difference in kind of the algorithm. It's going to make a huge difference in everything if you just do that. It's going to go over here. But let me know of what you would call him. What would you call Vegeta mixed with Chainsaw Man? What would be the name of this character? He's a new character. Or it's just, you know, it could be just Vegeta that's taken over. I may draw like a line right here in the lower lip. Very thin line. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Do not forget to go check out the coloring books that we have over here. They are on Amazon. They are coloring books on all kinds of crazy stuff. Like, what does a cat dream, right? Like, I talk about the dreams of a cat and kind of like what a cat might be dreaming about and the adventures about him daydreaming. There's another one as well about about a hedgehog and what kind of daydreams a hedgehog would have. Go take a look at that. Coloring books are amazing, and they kind of give you dexterity as well as you're kind of doing that stuff. It gives you, like, you know, more control of your hand. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Remember, every stroke will get you to what you want. As far as like will become an artist. It'll become a full-blown artist with every stroke. Thank you.